Hi, my name is Sylvia. I'm a mom of four and I'm a nurse practitioner who's worked in the emergency room for 12 years. I just wanted to make a little video about why I'm opposed to circumcision of infants, I should say. If an adult wants to have it done, that's his choice. I have no concern about that. But anyways, I just wanted to make a little video because this is just something that's been on my heart and my mind quite a bit. I'm joined by little baby Lucy, my 5-month-old. Anyways, so why I even care about this subject, I've worked in the ER, like I said, for 12 years. Actually, when I was in nursing school, I had to see a circumcision be performed on a newborn, and it was quite a terrible experience. It was very heartbreaking to see that little baby who had been warm and snuggly and calm to scream his head off during that procedure. And I'm sure that doesn't happen all the time. Some babies just go into shock because of the pain and trauma, and then they look like they're sleeping, but it's very painful. Even if you give the anesthetic, they have a 7-day healing process afterwards. That's very painful when they have diaper changes or if the area gets bumped at all. But anyways, besides the pain, I'm also opposed just because I've seen so many complications in the ER. I know of 3 babies that have had to be transferred out because of bleeding complications. And that's just the direct, immediate complications. There's also complications such as meatal stenosis, which happens in up to 10% of boys later on because the urethral opening is supposed to be protected by the foreskin. It's not supposed to be open and exposed to the outside environment. And so because of that exposure, then later on they can have scarring and it can actually start to close or constrict the urethral opening, which causes pain and difficulty urinating. So a lot of times they have to have a surgery called a meadotomy, which dilates or opens up the urethral opening. My sister's a surgery nurse and she used to have to assist in a lot of these procedures. So, and not just that complication, I mean, there's a lot of other complications that can occur, such as too much skin being removed, causing painful erections later in life. So anyways, a lot of times parents are just not aware of the risks of circumcision. Another reason why I'm against it is my husband's from Europe, and over in Europe, they don't even circumcise baby boys. I mean, it's considered completely a religious procedure. It's not considered medical at all. It's not offered in hospitals. Doctors won't even circumcise a healthy boy because there's really no medical reason to take a healthy baby boy and cut off a healthy part of his body. There's just no reason. Any of the medical reasons that we use to perform circumcisions here on babies, they're not valid arguments. Things like a UTI. I mean, girls have UTIs at least 8 times more commonly than boys, and we treat them with a simple antibiotic and not cutting off a healthy part of their body. Or, you know, STDs. I mean, it actually has not been shown to reduce any STDs, and really the best way to prevent STDs is safe sex, monogamy, abstinence. Those are the ways, not cutting off healthy parts of babies. So anyways, I have written a few articles about circumcision. I am a Christian and believe that God designed every body part perfectly. He didn't make any mistake on any of our body parts. Everything is there for a reason. So I help with littleimages.org and also yourwholebaby.org. I wrote a breastfeeding article for them, and it talks all about breastfeeding in general, but also warns moms about the possible negative effects of circumcision on breastfeeding. So I encourage you to check out yourwholebaby.org, and then the breastfeeding article is yourwholebaby.org/breastfeeding. There's also a great group on Facebook called yourwholebaby.org, or Your Whole Baby, a community for learning, and it's great for moms who are wanting to research circumcision and learn more about it. Anyways, I just encourage everybody to really do the research into this because you're run with this video, aren't you? Yeah, I just would like to see less babies in America go through this because it really isn't necessary. So anyways, hopefully you have a great day, and this isn't anything to try to judge anybody or make anybody feel horrible. I just want education to be out there and for moms to be informed, because I feel like here in the United States, many of them are just not informed and they make decisions that they regret. And someday, yeah, they might really regret that they did that. So anyways, have a great day. Take care.